What is management? Management is essential for an organism live and necessary to run all type of management. Good management is the backbone of successful organizations. Managing life means getting this done to achieve life objectives, and management and organizations means getting this done with and toward other people to achieve its objective. Water management is an our sequence will continue to be subject of debate. Of our most management takes care agree to some form of formal academics management background helps in managing successful particle GAO SR University Crossty, hence the answer for including business degrees program in all academics institutes. Management is a set of principles relating to the functions of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling and the purpose of these principles in handling fiscal, financial, human, and information resource efficiently and effectively to achieve organizational goals. Definition of management. Many management thinkers have defined management in their own ways. For example, Van Vliet and Peterson define management as a set of activities directed at the efficient and effective utilization of resources in the pursuit of one or more goals. Mixon, Mosley, and Peter define management as working with high financial and personal resources to achieve organizational objectives by performing the planning, organizing, leading, and controlling function. Greater definition of management. Management is a problem-solving process of effectively achieve organizational objectives toward the official use of skill result in a chasing improvement. According to V.M. Taylor, management is an art of knowing what to do and set is done in the best and best way. According to Hall Coates, management is an art of getting this done through and with the people in formally organized group. It is an art of creating an environment is with people can perform an individual and can all operate towards attainment of group goals. I rather as skirting in hard qualities and rights which ascend him in playing a greeting role and wielding comedy influence with others. Leadership is an integral part of management and plays a vital role in managerial operation, while management is an integral component of technical as well as social process. The practice of management is as always harm evolution. However, the study of management in a systematic and scientific way is a distinct body of knowledge is only of reckon organ. Management is some form or another is an integral part of living and is a style where I'm enforced air to be understand to achieve desired objective. The basic ingredients of management are always the play with the we measure our levels or our business. For example, let us look at the managerial role of simple housewife and how the managerial engages in managing the home first she approaches the household and its needs. She procures the needs of the household for a period of a week or a month or longer. She takes stock of her resource and any concentrates on the resource. She plans and organizes her resource to obtain the maximum benefits out of the resource. She monitors and controls the household budget and expense and other activities in a large household. She divides the work among other members and according to the activities she encourages and motivates them to do right based in completing their activities. She is always in charge of improvement mission goal, result and means to achieve this goal. These ingredients generally are the basis functional of management. Management can be defined in detail in the following categories: management as a process, management as an activity, management as discipline, management as growth, management as sequence, management as art, management as profession. The concept of management is always the home rates itself. The concept of family itself requires the life be organized and share resource of food or a protein in manner so as to maximum the utility of source resource, taking proper steps to safeguard the family from takers by wild animal, planning on where to go finish and hunting and home to go with, organize the growth into safe and hunting and finish band were safe, give recreation and some are all stable expression of management and organization. A study of various people are the world's of good example of organizational structures and organizational evolution over this year. I will open marketing in travel and I large department story in a modern city service the same needs in similar fashion. With expecting this together the people need. Will the tribal organization was simple and natural. The modern organization is much more spatial and coupled with many technological innovation. However, the basis for of management and organization structure seem to have extended since the beginning of organization activity. Even the writing history shows the application of some crisis management techniques as far back as 5000 BC when the ancient Marines used record in sizing government operations. The Egyptian pyramids built as early as the 3000 BC required the organized efforts of over 100,000 workers. It would be natural to assume the all focus of modern management, namely planning, organizing, directing, and controlling, playing a significant role in the constraints of this monument. Similarly, the early evolution of India bears witness to organized living. Management as a system is not only an essential element of an organized society but also an integral part of life. When we talk about managing our lives. Managing lives is not much different from managing on organizations, and this art of management has been with us from time immemorial. Just as well, managing life is much better organized, goal-oriented, and successful. Good management of an organization makes the difference between the success and the failure of the organization. Parts the improvements of management was singled by the late President of the United States John F. Kennedy when he said that the role of management in our society is critical in human progress. It serves to identify a great need of our team to improve standards of living for all people through the effective utilization of time and material resources. Similarly, Peter F. Drucker, a noted management authority, has emphasized the importance of management to social living. He proclaimed nearly 25 years ago that efficient management was become the main result of developing nation, and it was the most needy resource for developing nation. A manager a job is highly crucial to the success of any organization. The more complete the organization, the more concrete is the manager role in it. A good manager makes things happen. The importance of management in any organization was emphasized by Professor Leonard R. Charles in his address to group of management development specialists as follows. We must mean ways of conflict such as a wall and the solve work the manager is particular that the real leadership problem of all institutions. The getting this done, the implementation, the evolving of unconscious, the making of the right decision at the right time with the right people is what the action is. Although we as Scotty have learned to give much credit to makers, I hope we can move toward recording the managerial and leadership jobs are among the most critical tasks of our society. As such, they deserve the professional status they would give to more traditional fields of knowledge. They are fiscal primary function of management. These are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. The controlling functions comprise coordinating, reporting, and budgeting, and hence the controlling function can be broken into these supporting functions. Based upon this seven functions, Luther Gulick second the word postcard, which generally represents the interest of these seven functions, i.e., P stands for planning, O for organization, C for staffing, D for directing, CO for coordinating, R for reporting, and B for budgeting. But planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling are widely recognized functions of management. 1. Planning. Planning is factor oriented and determines our organization director. It is rational and systematic way of making decisions today that will affect the future of the company. It is a king of organized forges as well as creative design. It involves predicting of the future as well as attempting to control the events. It enables the ability to process the effects of current action in the along to in the before. Peter Drucker has defined planning as flowers. Planning is the continuous process of making present entrepreneurial decisions systematical and with best possible knowledge of the futurely organized systematical the efforts needed to carry out this decision and measuring the result of this decision against the expectation through organized and systematic feedbacks. An efficient planning program incorporates the event of both external as well as internal factors. The internal factors are shortage of resource, bad capital and material, general economics there as far as interest rates and interface are connected, dynamics, technology, admission, increased government regulation regarding community interests, municipal, international, political, environmental, etc. The internal factors that affects planning are limited growth opportunities due to structural regulating differentiation, changes parts of the workforce, more complex organizational structure, decentralization, etc. 2. Organize requires from formal structure of authoring and the rectal and flow of sure authority to throughout which work substitution of different target and coordinated so that a spark release to the order of part in unity and head manager so as to retain the pursuit objective. According to Henry Fayol, to organize a business is to provide it with everything useful or its partition, i.e. raw material, tools, capital, personnel. Thus the function of organize involves the determination of activities that need to be done in order to reach the company goals. Activities to the proper personnel and dealing the necessary authority to carry out these activities in a coordinating and concise manner.